In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to manage time edits approval in QuickBooks Time on a laptop browser. By the end, you'll know exactly where to review edited time entries, how to approve them confidently, and how to keep your reports and payroll accurate. Let's get started using the current QuickBooks Time interface on a laptop browser. First, log into your QuickBooks Time account on your laptop. Once you're in, look to the left navigation menu and click Approvals. This is your central place for reviewing what needs your attention before hours move into reports and payroll. At the top of the Approvals page, set the report dates to the period you want to audit. Choose the exact date range you're responsible for, such as this week, last pay period, or a custom range. Setting the dates first prevents you from missing entries that fall outside the window you're reviewing and keeps your approval list focused and accurate. Next, make sure All Team Members is selected. This ensures you see every user's time for the date range you picked, not just a subset. It's a quick way to confirm you're reviewing the complete picture for your team. Now, review the time entries marked as unapproved. Unapproved entries are the ones that need your decision, often because they've been edited or haven't been cleared yet. Take a moment to scan for anything that looks out of place, like unexpected days, unusual durations, or times that fall outside standard schedules. When you need more context, click View Details to review any edited time entries. This opens the full entry so you can confirm the date, start and end times, total hours, and any notes that might explain the change. Use this view to verify accuracy before you take action. If everything looks correct, click Approve to approve a single time entry. When you're confident about multiple entries at once, use Approve Selected to approve them in bulk. This is especially helpful at the end of a period when you're clearing a larger list. Remember, once approved, those time entries are locked so they can't be changed and they'll be included in your reports and payroll. If a time edit shouldn't be accepted, click on Approve instead. This keeps the entry out of payroll and flags it for correction so it can be addressed before you run final numbers. That's it. With these steps, you'll keep your timesheets clean, your data reliable, and your payroll workflow smooth. If this video helped, please like, subscribe, and share. Thanks for watching.